Hi there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSParation Management. I'm here to speak with you today about how to have a success consultation process within your spa or Medispa. You see, when I start working with clients, one of the things I find missing often is the lack of a business model that includes a sales process. You see, the consultation is such an important part of your entire sales process within your business, but often it's missing. When we were doing the Coach Me Platinum meeting this past weekend, one of the attendees had asked me to actually do a video and actually role play the success with guest consultation so they have total clarity on how to do an effective consultation, one that would lead to thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So during that meeting, I actually did that just for them. It was going through the step-by-step process on how to conduct an effective consultation. So now I already had a couple of products that address that problem and give you solutions. It's called Success with Guest Consultation. We actually have an audio CD or a downloadable podcast and also a manual that gives you step by step and explaining the sacred system that we teach within this program. So in addition to that, for the video that I just did, I'm actually going to include it as part of this bundle. So you're going to get the manual, the audio, plus the video of the Success with Guest Consultation. That way you can see me actually doing it for you. You can hear me doing it, and you have a manual to follow along. This entire program will totally transform the way you do business, because currently many people just do a quick consultation. People are coming in for Botox or fillers. They do that consultation for that treatment and then they leave. Well, you're leaving so much money on the table. That's crazy. And you know what? This process is not magical. You're not just gonna wave the magic wand and people are gonna buy automatically from you. There's actually a system that needs to be implemented so you can get the best results possible. So I'm inviting you to check it out and implement it within your business so you too can make millions and millions of dollars through this sales process. So go check it out. Go to InSparationManagement.com, go to the shop, and just look for Success with Guest Consultation. I'm giving you the bonus with the video that I just shot for the Coach Me Platinum member. So go get your tools, implement them, and start making thousands and thousands of dollars. So until next time, stay inspired. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna give you a magical bonus. I forgot to mention that I have these great consultation forms for you. One to use with your guests to discover all their needs, and then one is to customize an entire program for them. So I'm going to go ahead and give you these as special bonuses when you get your copy of Success with Guest Consultation. Until next time, stay inspired.